I'm so happy to teach social studies for 4th standard ICC children. The topic is our soils. 7th lesson is about our soils. Let us see some new words from this lesson. The new words are fertility. Number 1, fertility. Spell the word Fertility. Fertility. Valamana, selipana. Meaning. Okay, in Tamil we say valamana அல்லது செழிப்பான மண். Okay, fertility. 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 Number 2, laterite. 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 Soil. 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 It's a type of soil found in India. Laterite soil. Laterite. Laterite soil. Next, alluvial soil. Alluvial. 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 Alluvial soil. 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 In Tamil, Vandalman. Alluvial soil means Vandalman. Next, erosion. 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 Erosion means taken away from one place to another. Erosion. Next, fertilizers. 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 Farmers put fertilizer, organic fertilizer and artificial fertilizer to the plant to give more growth. Next, barren. 6th spelling is barren. 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 Tarisu nilam. Okay. Without growing any crops. Okay. Keeping the field without using. Barren. 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 Next, lava. Lava is a type of rock. Okay, where the black soil is formed. Next, humus. 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 You can see the humus in the bag. It's a dead particles of plants and animals. Okay, fertilizer formed when dead leaves and plants remain in the soil for long time. That is humus. Next, manure. 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 Waste matter of animals that mixed with the soil. Manure. Manure. Waste matter of animals that mix with the soil, that is called manure. Next, overgrazing. Overgrazing. Overgrazing means அதிகப்படியான மேய்ச்சல், கால்நடைகளால் மேய்ச்சலான நிலப்பகுதி. Overgrazing. Okay. Next, we are going to see the questions and answers. Okay. Answer these questions. How is soil formed? The first question is, how is soil formed? And the answer is, soil is formed when large rocks, big rocks, break into smaller pieces. Okay, how is soil formed? Soil is formed when large rocks, big rocks, break into smaller pieces. Then these pieces carried to different places by running water and wind. Okay, soil is formed when large big rocks break into smaller pieces, okay, and become sand or silt. And these pieces carried to different places by running water, raining water, okay, running water and wind. When the wind blow very strong, the mud and the sand and silt will carry to different parts. Next, second question is, what are the different types of soil found in India? Write two crops grown on each type of soil. Okay. What are the different types of soil found in India? Write two crops grown on each type of soil. The answer is, the different types of soil found in India are alluvial soil. What are the crops we can grow? Rice and wheat in alluvial soil. Second, black soil. Black soil, we can grow cotton and sugar cane. Cotton and sugar cane. Next, red soil. Red soil, we can grow millets and pulses in red soil. Next, laterite soil. Laterite soil, we can grow tea and coffee in this type of soil. Next, mountain soil. Mountain soil found in mountainous area. We can grow fruits and maize. Fruits and maize. Next, desert soil. Desert soil, we can grow barley and cotton. Barley and cotton in desert soil. Next, third question is, why is black soil also called black lava soil? Why is black soil also called black lava soil? The answer is, black soil is also called black lava soil because it has been formed from lava rocks. Okay, black soil is also called black lava soil because it has been formed from lava rocks. Okay, it's a type of rocks, and the black soil, it's formed from the lava rocks. Okay, next, shall we go to fourth question? In which state is desert soil found? In which state is desert soil found? Okay, desert soil. Okay, desert soil is found in Rajasthan and Gujarat. Desert soil is found in Rajasthan and Gujarat. Next question is, how can we prevent soil erosion? Okay, the answer is, we can prevent soil erosion by following these steps. First point is, not cutting trees. Not cutting trees. Planting more trees. If you cut one tree, you should plant 2 trees. Okay, planting more trees. And third point is, not keeping the fields barren without growing any crops. Okay, that is called barren. Not keeping the fields barren. Next, fourth point is, stop overgrazing of lands. We should not keep on our animals in the field. Okay, so it will damage the field. So the soil will be erosion by the overgrazing of lands. Okay, stop overgrazing of land. Next, using manure or natural fertilizers. Using manure or natural fertilizers. We should use organic fertilizers. Okay. Next, the sixth question is, why is cotton cultivated in Gujarat and Maharashtra? Why is cotton cultivated in Gujarat and Maharashtra? The answer is, cotton is cultivated in Gujarat and Maharashtra because black soil, which is suitable for growing cotton, is mostly found in these states. Okay. The question is, why is cotton cultivated in Gujarat and Maharashtra? Answer, cotton is cultivated in Gujarat and Maharashtra because black soil, which is suitable for growing cotton, is mostly found in these states. So go through this question answers and learn the question answers so that you can write the test while test is conducted. You can see the black soil in the map. In Gujarat, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, the black soil is found because it is mostly found in this area, in the states, which is good for the cotton to grow, cotton plants to grow. Thank you, children. God bless you all.